In the serene Abbottstown area, the tranquility of home can be swiftly disrupted by one of the most distressing plumbing dilemmas: sewer system backup. Whether it's clogs from everyday waste, the stealthy invasion of tree roots, or the crumbling of aged sewer lines, the consequences are not just costly repairs but also potential health hazards. Yet, amidst this turmoil, there's a beacon of relief. By dialing 888-501-1193, you summon the expertise of qualified professionals dedicated to restoring the safety and comfort of your home. Don't let sewer backups overshadow your peace of mind in Abbottstown. Reach out now for a swift expert resolution.